미국의 어느 한 휴양지 같은 아름다운 섬. 사실 이곳은 아주 특별한 교도소 스파이더 헤드라는 곳이었는데, 그런 교도소의 총책임자이자 박사 스티브는 이곳에서 정부의 허가 아래 아주 은밀한 실험을 진행 중이었죠. 넷플릭스 소개팅 프로그램 뺨치는 분위기의 두 남녀.
Yeah, she seems nice.
Scale of 1 to 10.
Yeah, she's a 7.5.
And Heather?
He's alright. 5.
그리고 이상한 약물과 어플을 조작하더니
Really good.
Same.
갑자기 사랑에 빠져버린 두 사람. 두 사람은 단번에 진도를 끝까지 빼버리죠.
Please send me home something.
사실 스티브는 사람의 감정을 조절할 수 있는 장치인 일명 모비팩을 연구 중이었는데,
Can't watch.
이는 사랑뿐만 아니라 슬픔, 분노 같은 감정도 조절 가능했죠.
How you feeling?
I'm fine, thanks though.
그리고 가장 중요한 고통에 관련된 감정 조절 약물인 번뇌제가 마지막 실험 단계에 놓여 있었는데, 계속 실험제로 참가했던 제프가 이제 참관인으로 현장에 투입됐죠.
Excuse me. Hey, Dave. How you feeling?
Hungry.
That make you feel comfortable?
A little.
That's okay, it should. As well as it's just an agitator. No permanent damage. What's your decision, Jeff?
I don't know, I can't say.
하지만 제프는 이전에 자신과 사랑에 빠졌었던 두 사람에게 도저히 번뇌제를 투여할 수 없었고,
And I just do that to anyone.
스티브는 끝내 번뇌제 실험에 포기하죠.
You ever loved?
Yeah.
No, you were lucky. Not everyone can.
한편 제프는 이곳 안에서 리지라는 여자와 진짜 썸을 타고 있었는데,
Free Friday. Lucky.
갑자기 제프 앞에 나타난 진짜 엄청난 남자.
No, I'm not. I won't.
What's going on, huh? I don't make the rules. It's a protocol committee.
스티브는 자신도 정부의 노예라며 제프를 안정시키죠.
Take off my friendship or presence in this facility. Technically a punishment is it not?
I'm sorry.
한편 스티브도 직접 모비팩을 쓰고 있었고,
I felt like I was on fire.
Give this dark influx to someone?
I mean, not this time.
You're a good guy.
Testing me up and down and really tough lately. Times it's hard to remember who I was, but Lizzie, when I'm with you, I really feel like myself.
There we go. What time do we start?
10 minutes.
Why don't you hit me? We got time.
12 hours apart.
Dosing schedule, thank you.
그때 스티브가 모비팩을 쓰는 모습을 봐버린 제프. 제프는 스티브의 설득으로 번뇌제 실험에 참가하기로 했죠. 그런데 예상보다 더 큰 폭력성을 보이는 헤더. 그리고 결국 헤더는 스스로 목숨을 끊고 말았죠. 그때 스티브의 열쇠를 낚아채는 제프. 그리고 제프는 실험의 총 지휘권이 정부가 아닌 스티브에게 있었다는 사실을 알게 되죠.
This is his company. And 40. 16.
실험자들을 그저 파리 목숨으로 생각해왔던 스티브. 제프는 서둘러 아무 일 없던 척 모든 걸 제자리로 원상복구하죠.
It's not your fault. If anyone finds out what hell shut us down, Mark. But what do I always tell you? Forms, diamonds. We're gonna redouble our efforts.
Yes, she did.
She's not the best. Which I perfectly understood. Today, do you think I liked it? But in the long run, will help ease suffering. Lives, not just one life, many lives. Something for how you're feeling?
스티브는 모비팩을 써서 제프의 기분을 풀어주고, 이번엔 리지에게 공포감을 실험하는 스티브.
I hate that feeling.
We keep saying yes. Bedroom to ourselves, freaking pots. I mean,
그리고 제프는 리지에게 자신이 교도소에 들어오게 된 이유를 이야기해주죠. 제프는 음주운전으로 그만 친구와 약혼녀를 모두 죽게 만들었죠.
So sorry.
그리고 수감자들의 모든 생활을 CCTV로 지켜보고 있던 스티브.
Hey, thanks for coming in. How you feeling?
I'm good.
Good. Listen, breaks my heart wide open insisting on one establish a baseline. Mark and Flocks to someone you've never shared N40 with.
Someone who?
스티브는 보란듯이 제프 앞에서 리지를 실험하려 했죠.
Sorry, I can't do it.
Of course you can. Jeff, come on. You sound nothing.
Mr.
would have
Evans,
done anything to make double his dose.
그러나 점점 스티브의 조수도 스티브를 향한 신뢰를 잃어가고 있었고
I know you're struggling, but this will help.
There is no protocol committee. This is his company.
스티브의 조수에게 진실을 말해주는 제프. 그렇게 스티브의 조수 마크는 스티브를 고발하기 위해 이곳을 떠나죠.
Hey, Jeff. An hour. You got some sleep? Things over?
제프는 이제 리지에게 번뇌제를 투여해야만 했는데
How you doing, Lizzie?
Use some vitamin D.
Sunshine soon enough. All right, Jeff. Now we put this thing behind us. Lizzie, drip on.
I acknowledge.
Sorry. The answer's still no.
You think you love her? Don't even know her! Lizzie, why don't you tell Jeff what you're in for?
Doesn't matter. She already told me.
Did she?
Robbery.
Is that what you told him, Lizzie? Tell him, come on. Yeah. Find out about Lizzie. Born in Prescott, Arizona.
Say who I am. I know who I am. I know who I am. The mother who killed her baby.
리지는 자신의 죄에 대해 고백하죠.
The mother who forgot her little girl at a Walmart parking lot, July for 3 hours while I went to work. My 9-month-old little girl. Whatever he wants you to do to me.
결국 제프는 리지에게 약을 투여하는데
What's so funny?
알고 보니 이는 스티브의 모비팩에 연결된 상태였죠.
Stop it.
He's coming back here right now with the police.
Make it stop!
I trusted you.
You were free to go 7 months ago. Been free for a week.
이미 풀려난 상태였던 제프와 리지.
She's walking out of here today. Give me the knife.
그때 스티브가 반격을 시도하고 번뇌제가 투여되어 버린 리지. 결국 리지도 스스로 목숨을 끊으려 하는 일촉즉발의 상황. 제프는 겨우 리지를 구하는 데 성공하죠.
Friends and neighbors, we have an attempted escape. Tell Jeff and then stop Jeff and Lizzie.
도망치는 두 사람을 막아서는 수감자들. 스티브는 모비팩을 챙겨 달아나려 하는데 결국 먼저 탈출해버리는 스티브. 제프와 리지도 일단 배를 타고 탈출하는데 모비팩 과다 복용으로 환각 증세에 빠진 스티브. 그렇게 스티브는 최후를 맞이하죠. 지금까지 영화 스파이더 헤드였습니다. 샤워를 마치고 나오는 존경받는 카톨릭 태주교 러시맨. 그때 누군가 러시맨의 손을 공격하고 결국 살해당하는 러시맨. 곧바로 경찰들이 살해 현장을 둘러싸는데
A mess, huh?
4 fingers severed. B32156.
한편 살해 현장에서 발견된 에런 스탬플러라는 소년을 변호하기 위해 유명 변호사 베일이 나타나죠. 에런과 첫 대면을 하는 베일.
You know who I am?
No,
My name is Martin Vale. What you call a,
I don't have no money.
I think you did. Take your case pro bono. My expertise and hard work for free. So how do you know the Archbishop?
He was He was like a father to me.
Were you in the room when he was murdered?
There was someone else in that room.
에런은 제3자가 있었다고 주장하고
Did you tell the police this?
Yes, I did, but they didn't believe me. It looked up and then it came at me, and that's when I lost the time.
Lost time.
It just did.
하필이면 에런은 가끔씩 기절하는 병을 앓고 있었죠.
In other words, I don't want you talking to anyone but me from now on. He's returning a book to the Archbishop. Noises in the bedroom. He sees a figure. Shadows over the body. He blacks out.
What does he look like?
Like a Boy Scout.
그렇게 에런을 피고인으로 한 첫 재판이 열리고
We have 2 victims here. No suspect.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Is everyone here? Sit down. Is everyone here?
Yes, Your Honor.
The state charges the prisoner, Aaron Stampler, with murder in the first degree.
Your client plead, counselor.
Please, the court, I need time to make complete psychiatric evaluation before any charges are...
심신미약으로 재판을 미루는 건 국룰이었죠. 한편 베일의 동료가 에런의 집을 조사해보려는데 누군가 에런의 집에 숨어있다 베일의 동료를 공격하죠. 놈의 귀걸이를 뜯어낸 베일의 동료.
This is Alex's.
놈은 바로 에런의 친구였는데
An altar boy was wearing this?
Not at the mass.
Well, this altar boy attacked a colleague of mine. What do you think he was doing there in your room?
Room?
Yeah.
I can't.
Who's Linda?
Linda?
에런에게 린다라는 여자친구도 있었죠.
I get this feeling you're not telling me something. Let me ask you this. Do you think it could be you saw at the Archbishop's room?
Alex, I couldn't be sure.
Could be him.
I don't know. I don't understand why. Why would Alex...
For his own reasons. Maybe someone hired him.
Hired by who?
What I need to know is, do you think he's capable of...
I don't know. Who's capable of such a thing, Mr. Vale?
이 와중에도 친구를 감싸주는 에런. 결국 비일은 유명한 심리학자 몰리를 찾아오죠.
I'm more than happy to go in and analyze. Looking forward to it.
그렇게 에런을 상담해보는 몰리.
Mr. Vale told me that there was a period of time that you don't remember. Is that right?
Yeah, lost the time.
You had these blackouts before?
Yes, I have. They start.
So aware of what was happening to you?
No. My mother was dead.
And your father?
No, not a nice man.
Did you seek treatment?
You don't go see a doctor and...
Tell me about Linda. Vale said she was your girlfriend.
Yes, she was.
How'd you meet?
We was both at the Savior House. Mm-hmm. She was doing work for Bishop. She's real cultural, and we had a nice time together.
Were you sleeping together?
Well, that's private.
I know, I have to ask a question.
Yeah. She went away for a while. It's happened. I don't even think she knows about it.
한편 다음 재판이 시작되고
Aaron Stampler repeatedly at the Archbishop's chest, his genitals.
And they really don't want you to hear theory of motive. Why is that? Very simple. They don't have one.
Do you have an opinion whether the killer was left-handed or right-handed?
From an angle that strongly suggests...
Your knowledge is the defendant left-handed?
Yes, he is.
Possible that a right-handed person could have deliberately used...
영리하게 변호를 이어나가는 베일. 그런데 검사 측에서 새로운 증거물을 제시하죠.
Yes, the letter and the numbers is actually catalog code discovered in a private reading room located in the church basement. When we open the book, to page discovered an underlined passage.
Read this underlined passage to the court.
No man, without finally getting bewildered, be the true. The killer thought that his victim was two-faced.
Thanks. Did you underline that book?
What?
Did you underline that book?
No, Mr. Vale.
No?
I mean, I weren't the only one using Bishop. Everybody borrowed books from Bishop Brushman. Everyone was in there.
Guard. What the fuck happened in there?
I guess that 8 was a B after all.
What the hell happened, Tommy? How could you have missed that?
Maybe we already got the kid who did this. All the hard evidence is pointing towards him and using to even look at it.
I'm not refusing to look at it. Don't think he did it.
베일은 에런이 범인이 아닐 거라 확신하고
Talk more about your girlfriend Linda now.
No.
Why not?
린다 얘기가 나올 때마다 이야기를 피하는 에런.
Do you think my head hurts?
Okay, I'm sorry. Jesus Christ.
그때 갑자기 에런이 본색을 드러내죠.
What was you saying?
또 기억을 잃은 듯한 에런. 한편 베일과 동료는 지난번 에런의 집에 숨어있던 에런의 친구를 직접 잡으려 했는데
What do you know about the Archbishop's murder? What were you doing over there? What were you looking for?
Tape. Hey! Videotape? Yeah. Of what? Sex stuff. Ho! Me, Linda.
And Aaron?
He shot it too for the Archbishop.
So where's this girl? Where's Linda?
She freaked out. She panicked. She split.
그의 말이 사실이라면 에런이 복수심에 대주교를 살해했다는 그럴싸한 동기가 성립됐죠. 곧바로 대주교의 집에 와보는 베일. 베일은 해당 비디오 테이프를 일단 바꿔치기 하죠.
Didn't preach the gospel. Alec.
What are you guys watching?
Wait a minute.
Good. That's it, Aaron. Take off her blouse, Aaron.
진짜 제자들에게 성행위를 강요했던 대주교. 잔뜩 화가 난 베일은 곧장 에런을 찾아오는데
I'll lay it all out for you. I'm losing this case. You know why I'm losing this case? Because my fucking client is fucking lying to me. I'm the only one who believes you, and I am that close. Did you underline that book?
No, I didn't.
I don't believe you.
I told you.
I saw the tape. I saw the tape. I know what he did to you. Do not even think about it. You fucking killed him. You killed him.
No! You little sissy, you make me sick.
또다시 튀어나온 폭력적인 에런.
Who the fuck are you?
Fuck are you?
I got you now. You're a lawyer.
Where is Aaron?
Some corner somewhere. You scared him off. Look at me.
He gets in trouble, he calls you. You're the man.
Well, Aaron couldn't kick his own ass. Couldn't handle all that preacher's blood, could he?
Did kill Rushman.
Aaron don't have the guts to do nothing with me, boy.
에런의 이중인격 로이가 직접 살인을 자백하죠.
So your name is Roy.
Oh, jeez, I'm sorry. Yeah. What is it, Marty?
Tell me about Linda.
Well, who the fuck cares about Tramp? Let me tell you something. Everybody had her. She broke his heart.
Because of the sex stuff.
You've seen the tape. Answer me, you son of a bitch! Break your fucking neck. God damn it! God damn it! I told you. I said get the fucking tape. It's motive.
그때 다시 돌아온 듯한 에런.
Mr. Vale?
You didn't do it. It's textbook multiple. Me on the stand, I'll testify.
Can't change plea in the middle of a trial. Besides, insanity is the hardest thing to...
This is not a criminal. Sick kid sitting in a cell, and it's not.
진짜 에런이 이중인격이라면 에런을 감옥에 보내는 건 옳지 않은 일이었죠.
What are you gonna do, Marty?
I don't know. Somehow, this whole abuse thing.
That's crazy. That gives him motive.
No, actually, what it does is the whole thing around. Concrete document did to this kid.
Can't put it in.
Well, we're not going to.
그렇게 베일은 몰래 검사 측에 비디오 테이프를 보내고 내용을 확인한 검사는 러시맨 재단의 이사를 찾아오는데
So where's the tape?
Pretty ugly stuff on that tape. Who would have thought?
Where'd it come from?
On my front door last night, no note.
I have some advice for you. The minute you received it.
권력자들은 당연히 이 테이프가 밝혀지길 원치 않았죠.
The people placed this half-inch video cassette tape in evidence, Your Honor.
노 밖으로 테이프를 제출하는 검사.
Quiet in the court.
결국 재판은 잠시 휴정되는데
Thanks for the advice.
Mr. Vale, to proceed with your first witness.
역으로 러시맨 재단의 이사를 증인으로 신청하는 베일.
You serve on the board of an organization known as the...
I have the privilege to be an honorary board member.
Explain the nature and purpose of this foundation.
This is to invest in projects for the
good of the community. Okay. In the case of the now bankrupt housing development.
Yes.
What kind of money was... I mean...
$60 million.
베일은 일단 러시맨 재단이 깨끗한 재단이 아님을 어필하죠.
Surprised at the content of that tape at Ms. Vedman?
Yes.
You never heard any allegation.
Not that I recall.
All right, let me just take you back. Let's go back to June 1985. Do you recall any allegations of sexual
I don't recall that.
No? A young man named Michael O'Donnell, supervisor of that unit over a period of 2 weeks. Graphic details, sexual abuse he suffered at Rushman. Then decided that your friend Archbishop would stand trial for any of it.
과거 러시맨은 이미 성폭행 의심 경력이 있었고 백으로 재판까지 막았던 추악함을 폭로하는 베일.
In a mockery in my courtroom, and I am not.
그러나 재판의 논점을 흐리는 베일의 변론은 판사로부터 제지당하죠. 이제 베일은 마지막 승부수로 에런이 이중인격자임을 주장하려는데
How much time have you spent with...
Around 60 hours. Found that Mr. Stampler suffers from an acute dissociative, specifically multiple personality.
Could Aaron Stamp have been present during the murder of Archbishop Rushman and not remember?
Yes, he could.
Could you explain that, please?
Mr. Stampler stayed at the time of the offense present at a homicide, and yet he's able to recall it.
All right, Dr. Arrington, in your opinion, Aaron Stampler capable of murder?
No, he is not. Too traumatized to express normal anger.
I'm curious to know, personality disorder your primary area?
Primary field? No.
Did you happen to tape?
No, the tape was off.
Off?
집요한 검사 때문에 쉽게 풀리지 않는 상황.
Roy? Aaron. Could you tell us a little about your relationship?
He was like a father to him. Loved him very much. And he was the only person that ever treated me like I was worth anything.
Stop your whining, you little girl.
일부러 에런을 자극하는 베일.
We've all seen that tape. How'd that make you feel? Feelings about Archbishop Rushman?
No, he was our one.
You didn't feel anger towards him about...
He did everything for me. Wasn't nothing else I could do. He needed it.
Did you kill Archbishop Rushman?
No.
이제 검사의 반론이 시작되는데
Carve the numbers referring to that passage into.
No, ma'am, I didn't.
You loved him, even though he made you and your girl for his own gratification.
You don't understand.
Aaron, that's what he was doing. Form like a circus animal, function in his life.
에런을 몰아붙이는 검사.
Stab him 78 times, would chop off his fingers, I would slash his where to God.
Where the hell do you think you're going?
결국 로이가 깨어나 버리고
Fuck you, baby. Come here.
검사에게 폭력을 행사하는 로이.
No.
결국 재판은 아수라장이 되고 말았죠.
How's your neck? I'll live. I could call a doctor. Obviously, your case has been damaged. I'm going to dismiss the jury in a blind plea of not guilty by reason of insane. Defendant will be remanded to Elgin. Them decide the term of his commitment.
그렇게 베일의 계획대로 감옥이 아닌 병원에 가게 된 에런.
Congratulations.
베일은 곧장 에런에게 이 기쁜 소식을 전해주러 향하죠.
You don't remember what just happened?
Lost time again.
Well, I got some... They've agreed to stop the trial. I'll be sending you to a hospital. A very good chance, but someday soon.
I can't believe it. I don't. You saved my life.
그런데 그때
Will you tell Miss Venable I'm sorry? Is okay?
아니 잠깐만 분명 인격이 바뀌면 기억 못한다고 했는데
What did you just say?
What?
You told me you don't remember. You black out.
Well, good.
마침내 본색을 드러내는 에런.
Well, I'll let you in on a little secret. It don't matter who you hear it from.
애초부터 이중인격은 연기였죠.
Just got what she deserved. Cutting up that son of a bitch Rushman, just a fucking work of art.
You are really...
Did get caught though, didn't I?
There never was a Roy.
There never was an Aaron.
We're a great team, you and me. Hey, you're gonna thank me down the road, because this is gonna toughen you.
엄청난 배신감과 자책감에 휩싸이는 베일. 지금까지 에드워드 노튼의 데뷔작 프라이멀 피어였습니다. 미래의 지구, 과학기술의 발달로 인공장기를 만들어낸 유니온이라는 회사가 등장했는데 이 기술엔 아주 큰 단점이 있었죠.
If you can't afford the full payment of $429, we can offer monthly installments.
바로 금액이 너무 비싸다는 것. 게다가 할부로 인공장기를 달았다가 연체라도 되면 그 자리에서 인공장기를 다시 빼앗기는 비윤리적인 이면도 숨겨져 있었죠. 그리고 오늘의 주인공은 바로 인공장기 회수 업무를 진행하는 일명 리포맨 레미.
You got everything?
레미는 평범한 가장이었지만 더 이상 살인을 주저하는 인간성도 남아있지 않았죠.
Hiya. Pina?
그리고 그날 밤 레미는 야간 업무를 수행하게 되는데 이번 타겟은 유명 프로듀서였죠.
It's a nice house.
Thanks. Not really mine anymore. I ought to take you to the
순순히 장기 회수에 응하는 타겟. 그때 그만 제세 동기가 고장나버리고
Faulty shock unit.
불길한 유니온 사장의 웃음.
What you look Jarvik 39 heart module. Oh yes.
인공장기를 회수하던 레미에게 인공심장이 박혀버리고 말았죠.
Went to your family.
이 말도 안 되는 현실에 좌절하는 레미. 레미는 평소 리퍼맨 직업을 혐오하던 부인에게도 버림받게 되고 그렇게 별다른 소득 없이 벌써 연체 기간인 3달이 지나버리고 말았죠. 결국 레미의 동료 제이크가 인공장기 장기 연체자들의 소굴인 달동네로 레미를 데려가 돈을 벌게 해주려는데
You're not ready to do a kick. You want me to start? You've done this 1,000 times!
레미는 더 이상 예전처럼 살인을 저지를 수 없었죠. 그때 제압당하는 레미. 그리고 잠시 뒤 깨어난 레미는 이곳에서 자신의 이상형을 발견하죠. 이 여자는 무려 5개의 인공장기를 연체 중이었네요. 레미에게 거칠게 저항하는 여자.
Stop it. What do you want me to do? Leave you on the street?
You're as fucked as me.
결국 레미는 회사에 잠입해 자신과 여자의 연체 기록을 지우려는데
Get no lights.
결국 기록을 지우지 못한 레미. 레미는 문득 아들을 보러 집에 들르죠.
Peter. We gotta leave.
What?
Got caught trying to clear your forts. I want to know where the rest of them are.
You're clear. You can leave me here. I'll be fine on my own. It's okay.
Did yours first. Get to mine.
그렇게 레미는 여자와 한 빈민가 마을에 숨게 되죠. 레미의 체포권을 거부하는 제이크.
Me from the car accident. Upgrades. Years. Xbox.
그렇게 레미는 여자와 마음을 확인하죠. 결국 리포맨이 둘의 위치를 알아내고
I'm level 5. Quite honest, I'm disappointed.
함정에 걸린 리포맨. 그때 베스도 떨어지고 말죠. 겨우 베스를 구해낸 레미.
You're looking quite a bit of...
레미는 베스를 치료하러 또 유니온 본사에 잠입하는데
Attention shoppers. This month.
What do you want? Afternoon, boss. Now take me out of the system.
They pulled all the local scanners.
You're right. We're leaving.
The airport. No one gets out of the airport. It's impossible.
Not with these.
이 나라를 빠져나갈 기계를 챙겨 나온 레미.
What if it doesn't work?
Has to work.
그렇게 무사히 검색대를 통과하는데
Excuse me, miss. Leg's bleeding.
We can't let you fly like this.
Sorry?
I'm flying, really.
Is that really necessary?
Please, come on.
결국 치료를 받으러 향하는 베스. 그때 결국 요원들이 몰려오고 반격을 시도하는 레미. 그때 제이크까지 이곳에 등장하고 두 사람은 베스의 예전 친구에게 도움을 받으러 찾아오죠.
We need your help.
Come on, stop your whining.
이곳은 암흑의 병원이었네요. 무언가 수상함을 직감한 레미. 베스의 친구가 그새 살해당해버렸는데 범인은 바로 제이크였죠.
How'd you find us? Found you the same way you would have found me. But I can make this right with Frank. All you gotta do. Beth, I can't go back.
결국 제이크를 먼저 공격하는 레미. 그렇게 절체절명의 순간 다행히 깨어난 레미. 두 사람 때문에 이곳에서 대량 학살이 일어나고 있었죠. 그렇게 레미는 이곳에 더 이상 있으면 안 되겠다 생각하고
Come back inside.
Wherever we go, wherever we hide, they'll find us.
What do you want to do?
Finish this. Go to headquarters. If we find the pink door, we will no more accounts.
That's easy.
Here he is. Peanut.
마지막으로 아들을 부른 레미.
Just let me have a minute with my son.
Who's she?
Come on.
Frank and Jake are calling me 3 times a day.
I haven't got time for this. All I'm asking, a few minutes.
Do you think
Peter.
I'm having the time to swim on my own? That's not...
떡잎부터 남다른 레미의 아들.
When you're old enough, you read this. You still want to see your old man? I'll be in Punta del Este. Can you say that?
Punta del Este. Hi.
Again?
그렇게 레미의 침투가 시작되고
Wait here.
도망치는 한 직원.
Oi.
그런데 갑자기 직원들을 쏴버리는 보안 요원들. 아무튼 레미는 이상한 보안 요원들 덕분에 도망치는 데 성공하죠.
This is it. Freeze!
리포맨 에이스 출신답게 엄청난 전투 실력을 보여주는 레미.
At the side today. At my dream.
레미는 오대수의 빙의에 놈들을 썰어버리죠. 그때 또 제이크가 나타나고 이곳은 연체된 인공장기를 스캐너로 찍어 연체 기록을 없애는 시설이었죠. 직접 인공심장에 스캐너를 찍기 위해 살을 찢는 레미. 그렇게 레미의 연체 기록은 드디어 사라지죠. 이제 베스의 연체 기록만 없애면 되는 상황. 기가 찬 두 사람.
There's only one left.
Jesus, this is fucking pathetic. Finish it. Is it really worth it? Is she really worth it?
She's worth every job we ever did.
그렇게 베스의 연체 기록도 모두 사라지고 제이크는 끝내 레미의 편을 들어주죠.
Give a shot.
다행히 깨어난 베스.
No, yeah, buddy.
그렇게 두 사람은 이 시설 자체를 파괴해버리죠. 그렇게 모든 상황이 마무리되고 마침내 꿈의 낙원에 도착한 레미.
Christ, it's hot.
그런데 그때 아니 이게 뭐야? 아 설마. 레미는 사실 아까 제이크와 전투 끝에 크게 다쳤고
This one's still alive. Leave her. Take care.
그 이후의 내용은 모두 레미의 꿈이었죠. 아 제가 제일 싫어하는 게 배드엔딩인데 어쩐지 그 이상했던 보안 요원들과 대기업 치고 너무 허술했던 보안 등등 영화 내용 자체가 큰 떡밥이었나 보네요. 지금까지 주드로 주연의 SF 명작 리포맨이었습니다. 영상 재밌게 보셨나요? 영상 재밌으셨다면 구독과 좋아요 꼭 부탁드리고요. 짧은 리뷰 형식의 특성상 생략된 에피소드가 많으니 꼭 풀버전 감상을 추천드립니다. 그럼 저는 더 재밌는 영화로 돌아오겠습니다.